I have end semester exams coming up in 4 days.
This is the website that I made for exam purposes and link is in the description.
I am literally not understanding what the hell is going on. Like, I'm trying. It is so confusing. Like, I don't know what is happening. If I can study for even 30 minutes properly at this point, I'll even consider that as a win. My brain is cooked right now. I have no clue what the hell is going on. I'm not even kidding. I've been on the Claude app and I forgot. I solved for so much time, but I totally forgot what harmonic equation is, analytic equation is, and then my brain is fully cooked. I don't know what is going on with these formulas. I watched videos, but nothing is working out. I don't know what to do. This is so overwhelming. Decided to take a nap. Feels so good right now. I cannot believe how bad I was feeling previously, but right now I feel really nice and really good. I am going to study CR equations, this wala part PYQs, and then I'm going to maybe start Milne-Thomson theorem. So I just studied for 54 minutes and now I'm so exhausted right now. I was studying with the help of AI and it is not helping me because it is very unproductive because I'm not understanding a thing of what it is trying to say and what I am supposed to understand. So it is very confusing. The system isn't of much use, honestly. I'm feeling very overwhelmed right now. The next move would be to take a chill and relax because my back is paining a lot. And then after that, I will again start studying. Really, really tired right now. Today felt so exhausting. I put in so many efforts, but I did not understand most of the topics. I tried to use AI, but of course, I was not able to use AI properly. I did not understand anything. It was so overwhelming for me emotionally and mentally. Frustrated me the most was that I was not getting the kind of response that I wanted. I am someone who is used to being spoon fed, so I wanted AI to do that, but that wasn't happening. So it was so anxious. Somewhere within my mind, I know I'm going to fail, but still, I think that is something that overwhelms me a lot. This system did not fix things at all, of course. I am very, very scared that I won't be as consistent. I won't be consistent at all tomorrow. I will waste tomorrow. I will put in efforts into giving prompts and everything to AI, but maybe still not understand anything. So that is my biggest fear currently. Yeah, that's it for today, I guess. Let's hope that tomorrow is a much better day than today. Hi, so it is a new day. I don't know if I'm going to pass or not. I'm getting anxiety right now. I don't know how the hell am I supposed to do. I have no clue what to do. I've come in the wrong field. Engineering is not it for me. It's not going to happen. Like, no. Today is 23rd. On 26th May, I have exam. Maths exam. I'm very overwhelmed right now. I don't know if I'm going to pass at all or not. Today was different from yesterday because today I was able to solve a few questions more. Today I studied for 4 hours 8 minutes. Not all the minutes were really productive. Not every minute was really productive, but I definitely tried my best. I don't know what to do now. It could be a whole lot better, but at least I tried something. It is much better than yesterday, where I was struggling to even study for like 5 or 6 minutes. Consistency and working hard still feels difficult for me. Waking up out of a nap, it's so difficult. I don't know, I'm really recontemplating that maybe engineering is not it for me. I'm going to fail. But yeah, I hope it all works out and tomorrow is a much better day. Let's hope that. It is a new day, new morning. A day after tomorrow is my maths exam. I feel chill right now. I'm not prepared at all. But my mood isn't that anxious right now compared to the other few days. This time I feel that I can be more prepared for the exam. What would make today successful would be going to the bed totally exhausted, having done with everything that I could do. At this point, it is not even about passing or failing, it is about giving my best, and that's what would make today successful. Studied for 77 minutes and then I got exhausted. I took a nap and it ended up being for around 3 hours. So right now it is 3:48 p.m. and I'm going to restart studying.
So 67 minutes session happened. It was nice honestly, but it could be better because I didn't really understand much of it. Like I'm solving questions, but PYQs are very difficult. So I don't know what to do. Let's just hope that I'm able to pass.
Really anxious right now. I'm really getting confused between Claude AI and ChatGPT. I'm trying to incorporate them both in my studies, and the issue that is happening is that I don't know how the hell to do it. Like, it is getting so confusing because one AI tells me something other, this AI tells me something other, YouTube is telling me something other, and I don't know what to do. Like, I'm so confused right now. I don't know. I don't really have, like, I do have friends, but I don't know if I can ask them for doubts. So it's really confusing. So right now I'm going to do another session. I don't know what I'm going to study. I'm just going to do something. At this point, my only focus is going to be every single time I'm awake, I'm supposed to do something. That's literally all. That is going to be my aim. I am going to fail my engineering maths exam. I don't know what to do. I'm still going to give it a try, but I know I'm going to fail because the questions of PYQs are too difficult. I don't know what to do honestly. It's so exhausting right now. I am ending the day right now. I'm planning to go to sleep now, and I'm not hopeful about tomorrow. I think that I don't have a strategy on how to study. The fact that I didn't study in the last few months and I'm studying at the last moment is definitely affecting me right now. Today was emotionally very overwhelming for me. I don't know honestly how tomorrow is going to go. I'm really afraid of failing right now, but I know that is going to be inevitable. All I can do is just work and try my best that tomorrow goes a tad bit better than today. So today is day before maths exam. I'm sort of, I don't even know, I'm blank. I'm just going with the flow. At this point, it's not even about passing, it's just about doing the karma and letting the letting the life take its course. That is going to be the motive for today. So right now I'm going to revise because tomorrow is my maths exam. I'm totally screwed up. Nothing is going to work. I know I'm going to fail. Still, I'm going to give it a last shot. It's my exam at 10 a.m. and I'm not prepared, of course. I was planning to wake up at 4 a.m. but I did not wake up. It is 7:15 a.m. right now. I'll prepare for 1 hour and then I'll take bath and go to take exam. So yeah. So now the paper got over, maths paper. I had lunch, I took a nap, and now I woke up and now I'm going to put forth my views on the paper, on how it was and stuff like that. So first thing, a paper was, I don't know honestly how it felt. So overall, I could attempt few things, so that surprised me. I don't know, I wrote as much as to pass, more than passable marks. So there is a 70% chance that I might pass. I don't know what I'm feeling right now. It is just whatever. Like, I don't feel anything particularly. Now on to the next paper. So let's see and hope that next paper, that is engineering mechanics, goes better than expected. Let's hope for that and let's prepare for that.